Good Friday afternoon. It's going on 2 o'clock already. Wow. I wasn't feeling good this morning, so I kind of slept in a little bit. I'm recording on my iPad. But yeah, I wasn't feeling good this morning, so I just kind of slept a little bit. And then I just ate some breakfast, thinking maybe because I took my antibiotic last night with no food. That's why I woke up feeling icky. But so I feel okay now. I took a nice hot shower after I ate. I did a load of laundry, loaded the dishwasher, started it. Now I'm kind of out in the shed. The electric work is getting done today. Yeah, we're currently under a ice storm warning right now. So that's kind of concerning to me. I'll read you the details on it. So, ice storm warning, severity extreme. 2 a.m. What? Significant icing expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations less than 1 inch, and ice accumulations between 1/10 and 3/10 of an inch. Greatest amounts in the areas of the higher terrain, least near the lake shore. Where? Baraga, Marquette, Ontonagon, and southern Houghton counties. When? From 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the heavy ice. Travel could be difficult. Action recommended. Avoid the weather event as instructed in the description. Urgency. Take action within the next hour. Affected area Marquette. Issued by National Weather Service. So, it's not going to be good. It's supposed to be a rainy week this week coming up. Then back to snow again. But it's only a low chance. So that's that. I tell you. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at now with the weather-wise. At least it's a nicer day, so the light can get done. I should go for a quick walk. The shed is still in shambles. I'm probably going to have to do some painting. I can't believe it's Friday already. My vacation's almost over. I'm going to color some eggs. But I forget I can use my iPad for video recording. So that's nice because it has a stand. I forget about my iPad now that I have my MacBook. I still like my iPad though. But I think I'm going to go for a quick walk. And then probably relax. Or not relax, but start tearing this shed apart again. Yeah. So I will check with y'all later.
Ba 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 ba.
Saturday afternoon, y'all. It is going on 3:50 already. 4 o'clock already. Where the hell did this day go? Wow, super fast. Sorry I'm late. Just didn't feel like picking up the camera this morning. I was just kind of having a slow day today. And that's okay. I'm doing eggs tonight. I have the eggs cooking right now in the boiler. The egg cooker. Yeah. I finally have electrical in my shed now. So that's good. I have a stress mark right here. But yeah. So the window looks nice. I don't know when it's going to get fixed. This shed's in complete shambles. I kind of want to clean it up a bit. So that's what I might do. So I guess join me on kind of organizing my shed here. Yeah. So I'll see you in a minute. Probably just going to turn on some music now and finish up in here. So I will see you later.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hopping, Easter's on its way, bringing every girl and boy baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy and an Easter bonnet too. Oh, here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, happy Easter day.
Here comes Peter
Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppin', Easter's on its way. Try to do the things you should. Maybe if you're extra good, he'll roll lots of Easter eggs your way. You wake up on Easter morning and you know that he was there. When you find those chocolate bunnies that he's hiding everywhere. Oh, here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down.
So, these are the eggs.
Hippity hoppity, happy Easter day.
Look how fancy Nancy they are. That's my favorite one right there.
Happy
Very
Easter day.
I like this yellow here. I like that orange. Yeah, Merry Easter. Good Sunday morning, y'all. Happy Easter 2026. It is currently 11:38 in the morning. I just got done with breakfast. I had breakfast in bed this morning. I just didn't feel like getting up. I'm tired. I'm still tired. But my vacation comes to an end today, unfortunately. So makes me sad. But it is what it is. I didn't do much this vacation. Didn't get to enjoy a whole pile of anything. Most of the time I was just dealing with this damn shed that never got done. Well, I got a window put in. And it got an outlet and it's insulated now. Oh. 1 second. It's a very gusty night it was last night. It sounded like a train coming up and down the road. I have laundry going now. Yeah. 1 minute. Good Sunday afternoon. It is 2:44 right now. In the afternoon. The sun is shining bright and it's warm. I think I'm gonna go for a walk. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's a really nice day. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take advantage of the nice weather. It's supposed to snow tomorrow for a little bit. And then it's supposed to get rain and mixture throughout the week, so I'm like, okay. So this looks horrid. But I don't know what I did. I think it's just stress. Oh, I'm tired. I'd love to get this shed back to normal, but it's going to be a long time before that happens. I got to look at some pictures here. I got to remember how I had this up in the rafters here because it's a mess. I got to bring my label maker out here and do some labeling and yeah. I will say though, this table, this window is inviting. It does let a lot of nice light in here. I'm pretty excited for that. But I will see you on my walk. Welcome back. So I'm on a walk right now. It is so nice out here. I'm going to take advantage of the sunshine while I can. You know, don't get very much of that. Though the days are warmer now. Just gotta get rid of all this damn snow. That's the problem. I mean, it's melting. We just need a good week of warm weather. The trees are starting to bloom. Little do these trees know. That's okay. But it is a beautiful day. The sky is just so blue. Not a speck of cloud in it. We need the sun to melt the snow. And it's happening. Yes, it is. Well, we are down to 8 weeks of school. Already. Yeah, 8 weeks of school. This month I gotta go meet with the surgeon and figure out when I'm gonna get my gallbladder removed. That'd be kind of interesting to see. I don't really want to get it done in the summer, because that's the time where I'm busy. You know, I like to be doing things. But we'll see. I love the sun, but it's so bright on my eyes. We didn't do nothing for Easter this year, which is okay. I mean, I kind of didn't think we would. I'll insert a video my uncle sent me this one. From Cancun, Mexico, where they're staying. It's so beautiful and tropical. And here I am in this depression. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my walk, and I'll catch up with y'all later.
You're gonna leave, it ain't gonna break my heart, Mama. Well, I never seen nobody quite like you. But if you ever change your tune, all the world got the best of you. You can always find me where the skies are blue. Wanted to change, turn into what you loved, Mama. I would've gave all of my best to you. So if you ever need a fool who would give you a love so true, you can always find me where the skies are blue. Lay your dreams, little darling, in a flower bed. find in your head. In your head, you're gonna be somebody's brand new. You can always find me where the skies are blue. You can always find me where the skies are blue.
I'm going to end the vlog for the week. Sorry for no video at the end here, but I wanted to just log off, and I will see you all on Monday. Have a good week.
Can't let you
See
go,
you later.
baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just